So we've reached Kathmandu airport and it is 10:52 and my network is gone.
मेरा नेटवर्क फुल है
Is it?
but it's not
Opening. And now our journey starts. I did not take all the flight and all of that because later I'll discuss about it. But yes, we've landed in Kathmandu. We're going to spend few days here and then we're going to proceed. So yes, stay with me and then we'll know how it goes. Now first we need to find our guide. So good morning, day 2. We came here last night, as you all know, in Kathmandu. We were staying at Ramada, Thamel, and we came here. It was very late. We reached here, I think, around 11. Checked in around 11. Then we went down, freshened up, and then we went down and we were chit chatting with the friends. So today we have one free day in Kathmandu. Tomorrow, I think early in the morning, we leave for Pokhara, and then we'll have some few days in Pokhara before we start our actual trek. So as you all know, and the title must say, we are going to Mardi Himal, and so it's cold here, by the way, in Nepal. It is some 12 degrees, but it was nice actually, not bad, nice and chilly weather. It snowed, it had hailstorms before, in a day before in Kathmandu, and also it was pouring. So everything become very cold. Even Mardi has become like snow laden, like there is like this much snow, and we are going today to buy our snow, what you put below your shoes, crampons, because with snow or with sleet it gets slippery, so we're going to buy crampon, and also I'm going to buy my heavy jacket. Now I'm waiting for other people to wake up for breakfast. I will show you the room around. It's obviously a little messy because it's been lived in. I came here last night. Nice toilet, clean. That is what I wanted. And if you've forgotten your toothbrushes, there's toothbrush. My suitcases are here. My trekking bag, tea coffee station. And yeah, just washed my shirt. And I'm gonna wash my socks. So that's the room. The view is not great, of course, because we're right in the city. Houses are so close. The room view is not good. I'm looking into someone else's house, but yeah, if you close the curtain, then all is great. Basic room, but I think this is far better than many other hotels here in Nepal, so we like this. Sitting and discussing our trek.
or many other concerns. They will have some. Yeah, like painkiller.
So now we are heading out in Thamel to buy a -30 jacket. I will show you and I'll also let you know where this place is. So let's go. किस तरफ? Oh God, it's so good to be back in Nepal. Nice. So this Royal Kings Hotel, just in Thamel. No. And then a nice t-shirt. And then we are climbing up some Khufia Rasta. I've been here before. And then some staircase we go up. And then there is a world of jackets. Used to be upstairs before, and now they've come down. And there are piles and piles of these jackets. I wanted that pink color. You can see that pink color. I didn't get it. Orange I already have. So now I'm going to take this green color. I'm very happy. Let's see now. Himalayan Java.
It's Starbucks in Nepal.
Ooh, nice. It's a Starbucks in Nepal. Nice street view. Yeah, beautiful coffee. This is an espresso. Nice presentation. The Pothe market. They're having the lassi.
Famous. We cannot do the trek without this lassi.
Wow.
It's a very ritual that we must have this lassi.
Nice. What lassi is this? Meetho lassi.
Lassi.
Meetho lassi. Do have it, guys. Nice. Shucks. Meetho lassi. You guys have to try it. See? Beautiful. Oh, look at that now. Look at that. Nice. And then he's adding the hoya and he's adding the dry fruits. Nice.
Some things in life are customary. A gurkha before the drink is mandatory. Cheers. Thank you.
He's adding ghee. Huh. Whoa. Nice. Oh my god, so generous. Thank you. Thank you. This is our thakali. This is a mountain goat meat. I don't know what it's called in the local Chia something. Well, we'll tell you later. And oh yeah, we have it here.
Namaste, namaskar.
Hello, thank you. Chili achar, huh? This Changra. Changra. Okay, Changra mutton. Nice.
Mountain goat,
Mountain goat, yeah.
dry meat.
She's an influencer.
Thank you. क्या इज्जत का धज्जा करते मेरे no. Thank you. See this. This is mountain goat. नहीं. Mountain goat, dal, rice, and what is this? Same?
Vegetable.
Which one? Beans. Same.
Potato.
Oh, fried potato.
No, potato and something. Oh, that is
Yeah,
fried.
my friend told me that.
Yeah, that's saldi. And then- ये क्या है?
Dry spinach.
Dry spinach. Wow. And this one? Cabbage.
Radish.
Oh, radish. Nice. Thank you. Looks like. Thank you. Hi and good morning. Day 3 and I'm ready now. It's 6:40 in the morning. We are going to Pokhara. We are flying to Pokhara. So I'll go down at 7 because the breakfast opens at 7. Our flight is at 9 o'clock, so we'll have breakfast at 7 and try and leave before 8 a.m. You saw last night we went to eat that thakali at that very recommended place. But honestly, it didn't meet our expectation because the meat that we ate, the platter that we ate was basically dried or fried meat and then it was added in the curry. So it's not something that we like to eat, right? But other than that, service was good. If you like that kind of meat, air-dried meat types, and then the shorba or the curry was nice. I wouldn't say it was bad. And then they had refills. So it's good. So maybe we chose the wrong kind of mutton to eat, but the ambience, the cleanliness, the staff, the taste was good. So you can try that place, but it didn't work for me. So yeah, now we are heading to have breakfast and then we're going to Pokhara. See you in Pokhara. Bye. Sitting on our bus, coach, on the way to the flight. Coach, what is bus? Bus coach. That's our flight. And we've landed this beautiful Pokhara airport. Beautiful, it's beautiful, really. The views were also fascinating, very nice. This vibe. Yes. Pokhara is beautiful already. No, my first time at Pokhara. So we've come to Hotel Barahi now, and we're going to check in. This place is fabulous. I'm wondering how am I going to ever trek? How am I going to ever leave this place? Because it's beautiful. Just look at this. How to leave this and then go for a trek. There are honeymooners here, man. Shucks. Nice. Beautiful place. Beautiful. Thank you. Rhododendron juice. So we are at this street on Pokhara, and trust me, it's beautiful. I think it's even beautiful. It's better than Thamel and Kathmandu. Really beautiful. So much street shopping, and there's so much, these coffees, gourmet coffees, and Nice. He said Himalayan thakali. Yeah, we can eat anywhere actually. But तुम लोग लेक बोल रहे हो, लेक तो दिख नहीं रहा है मुझे.
Lake is on the
So you can see from the restaurant the lake.
lake side is
Ali को. Yay! Sorry. Namaste. Thank you. Oh wow, it's a nice place. Look at this. What a good vibe. This place is Jetho. Very nice, yeah?
ghee.
Oh, wow, wow, wow. Dahi, achar, nice. So this is my Dito set, okay? This is Dito, made out of buckwheat and it's like a porridge of buckwheat or maize and millets. Dal, ghee, हाँ डालो बिंदास.
डालिए, please.
This is
दाल में-
achar. This is the thakali mutton.
Thank you.
Look at that sound, huh? हाँ इधर. That's ghee, by the way. Yummy. Oof. Dito में नहीं जाता है घी. डालो. बस, thank you. Nice. Mutton. That's cauliflower potato. That's mustard greens. That's potato fried. And that I don't know. We'll figure out later when we eat. And that's tomato ka chutney. This carrot, cucumber, mooli. And safety sake, I got roti. What if? And then that's yogurt. Nice. So this is our room in Pokhara. Okay, beautiful room. Very nice. Newish hotel, I think. Barahi. It's called. Nice loose. Warm, heated water. You know, what else do you need? Big room, the bed, and you know the best part is when the weather is good, you can see the mountains. Okay, there's something even better. You see this? There are people paragliding. Can you see this? Wait, I don't know if you can see it, but see here, there are people paragliding. There's one there on the mountain also. They're paragliding from that mountain. I don't know if you can see there. Because you know my view, even I can't see. It's too bright. But yeah, there are people paragliding there. Nice. Beautiful. This is the Pokhara lake side. It's beautiful. Looks like look at this. It's raining nicely and it's I love this. It's beautiful. Look at this. It's raining nicely and it's I love this. It's beautiful. Good morning. Day 4 and I think it's 6 in the morning. I think no, it's 5:54 in the morning. And we are getting ready to go drive to from Kande, as in Pokhara here, to Devrali. So I'm ready already. We're supposed to meet down at 6:30, but I'm ready. I will be heading down soon. I'll just call the bellboy. But what I noticed was the beauty outside, and I want to show you that. So you see mountains, the beautiful cloud cover on the mountains. Yesterday there we were seeing the paragliding. It's really beautiful early in the morning. Now let me call the bellboy and let me head down for breakfast. Bags are packed. Jeep is ready. Crew. And yeah, we are all ready to go. Yes, finally.